because recruiting solves all of our problems. We're at EXP, we love the model, but what Chase does, he does videos on how to buy investments, all these different things, and we send that to agents.
Which is, if you've listened to any of us when we talk every Tuesday at noon on Agent Attraction, when we coach Honey Badger Nation, we talk about all you have to do is become really great at inviting. They'd be leaving saying, all right, what's our next step? Where do I sign up?
Yeah.
And the reason why is because you want to let the event do the heavy lifting. Let the events do the heavy lifting. Then once the team starts seeing other people committing, then they will commit. It's that fear of loss, right? It's that FOMO, right? Fear of missing out.
You know, you run out of people that you know that you can talk to, right? So you can run a book funnel with this book, and anybody who downloads it or buys it, that becomes now a person for you to have a conversation with, right? Every time we come and do an event like this, I'm like, we got to do more, right? And so the thing that scares me is you see that book that we created with all the jobs and roles and responsibilities. What scares me is going back to that. But I know that we are capable of so much more to help so many more. That excites me, but it also scares me.
Here's the thing, being CEO and as you're creating and building your business, you've got to be creating and thinking about assets at all times. Number one rule of leadership, lead by example. Number two is have a clear vision that you can articulate. Because people aren't going to get on board. They're not going to run through walls to help you accomplish what you want to accomplish if you can't articulate what it is you're trying to accomplish.